Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today, we are diving review the Honda CRF300L is one of the most popular dual sport motorcycles designed for both on-road and off-road riding. It offers lightweight handling, solid performance, and Honda's trusted reliability. Powerful 286 cubic centimeters engine. At its core, the CRF300L is powered by a 286 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. It produces around 27 horsepower and 26.6 Newton-meters of torque, giving it strong acceleration for city riding and trail adventures. Paired with a 6-speed transmission and fuel injection system, the bike delivers smooth and efficient power. Long travel off-road suspension. The suspension setup is built to handle rough terrain. The front features a 43mm Showa upside-down fork, while the rear uses a ProLink single shock. Both offer long travel, allowing the bike to handle rocks, bumps, and off-road obstacles with ease. Strong braking and safety features. The CRF300L comes equipped with disc brakes on the front and rear, and in many markets it also includes ABS for safer braking in slippery conditions. Dimensions and practicality. The bike weighs around 142 to 144 kilograms, offers an impressive 285mm of ground clearance, and has a seat height of 880mm, ideal for off-road stability. It also features a modern digital LCD display and dual-purpose tires. The 7.8-litre fuel tank is compact, but the bike remains highly fuel efficient. Who is this bike for? The CRF300L is perfect for adventure lovers, trail riders, commuters, and anyone looking for a dependable machine that performs well both on paved roads and in dirt conditions. Price and final thoughts. Internationally, the CRF300L costs around $5,300 to $5,700. In countries where it's imported, such as Pakistan, the price ranges from 12 to 20 lakh rupees depending on the model and condition. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.